everyone, thanks for watching. Welcome back to Next Generation. My name is Jen and today we will be doing our second episode of Transform This Room. In today's episode, I wanted to do some type of modern farmhouse type of vibe, so I don't know all of the correct terminologies or styles because I'm not an actual interior designer, but according to all of the pins on Pinterest that I liked, that's kind of the style that I kept seeing. It was called Modern Farmhouse. So if you didn't see the first episode of Transform This Room, basically I have a corner of this room that does not get used, so I wanted to start decorating it using different themes and styles, and I always include a DIY in every episode. So to start off, even though this wall is already white, I wanted to start off with a nice, crisp, fresh coat of white paint. I am going to end up doing an accent wall, and to have a nice even start, I wanted to prime this wall since there are black lines from the last episode when I painted them black. I wanted to be sure none of the black lines see through the paint once we go to paint it, so I am going to first prime it with the white as well. Once your white paint has dried, for the accent wall, I chose this beautiful charcoal gray color, and I just think this is going to look beautiful because anything I place on this wall is really going to pop since it is a dark gray color. And while our walls dry, we're going to start our DIY project for this video. So my inspiration for today's DIY project are these beautiful black brushstroke art pieces. So I basically just want to replicate it because they can get pretty pricey, and I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make it. You can change up the colors, you can do whatever type of designs you want, and just to show you guys how inexpensive this DIY is, all of the supplies that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree, so each item was only $1, and the poster board does come in different colors. I just chose white. I was surprised that they carry acrylic paint for only $1. I cut the poster board to size of my frame, which was 11 by 14, and I'm just going to use the paint and create really pretty brush strokes on the poster board. I did have an inspiration photo up as I did this just to kind of follow along with it and get an idea of what type of pattern that I'm going for. Once the paint has dried, you're just going to put your frame right back together and it is ready to use as a design piece in your room. And now for the fun part, I'm going to start decorating the walls. To bring in some natural pieces, I am using this beautiful wooden shelf. So this shelf is a floating shelf, but I did want to add some metal textures to it, so I am going to add these industrial pipes right underneath.
Oh, you filming? Oh.
And now I'm just going to add some final pieces to the top of the shelf as well. I'm adding a few more textured items and some greenery to the shelf just to finish it off. I'm also hanging this framed wooden Home Sweet Home sign, which is a DIY on my channel, so definitely check it out if you are interested. I'm going to add a little basket for some more brown texture, and to finish up the room and tie it all together, I did add this lamp, which has a really pretty metal fixture as well as one of these Edison bulbs, which I just absolutely love, so I felt like it went perfect with this room. So once I have added all of the finishing touches, this room is finished, and I'm super excited to show you guys how it looks. So just to remind you, this is how it looked before, and this is how it ended up coming out after. I just love how all of the colors and textures flow together really nicely. As usual, all of the items I used in this video will be listed down below in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this series. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.